Is your AC making your electric bill go sky high? Well, here's a simple trick that can help you save money. It's coming up next. Hey there, Speedy. It's me. Do you have an air conditioner in your home? Well, if so, listen up because I'm about to share with you a simple trick that can help you save money on your electric bill. So let's dive right in. Tip no satu clean or replace your AC filters. If you have a central AC system, there are filters that capture dust and debris, and they're usually located in the ductwork or the air handler. These filters need to be cleaned or replaced every 1 to 3 months depending on how dirty they get. And a quick tip, you can actually feel the air blowing through them. If it feels restricted, then it's time to clean or replace them. Why? Because when the filters are dirty, your AC system has to work harder to push air through them. And that increased resistance makes the compressor run longer. And that's the part of your AC system that uses the most energy. So by keeping those filters clean or replacing them, you can help your AC system run more efficiently, and that can save you money on your electric bill. Tip number 2, raise your thermostat a few degrees and use ceiling fans. Most ceiling fans have a switch that allows you to change the direction of the blades. In the summer, you want to set the fan to rotate counterclockwise. That way, it pushes cool air down, and that helps create a wind chill effect. So by raising your thermostat just a few degrees and using your ceiling fans, you can stay comfortable while using less energy. Tip no tiga, close your curtains during the hottest part of the day. During the summer, the sun can really heat up your home. So close those curtains or blinds during the hottest part of the day to keep your home cooler and use your AC less. Now, I know these tips may seem simple, but they can really make a difference. And if you're looking for more ways to save energy and money in your home, we have plenty more videos to share with you. So be sure to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. And when you're ready to give your AC system a professional tune-up, give us a call today. We'll be happy to help. Call us on the number provided in the description.